Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you retake your Bereal. So guys, let's continue into your Bereal app and just now tap on the take your Bereal. Now take your Bereal and guys, if you don't like your Bereal, then just tap on the cross icon in the top right side and now you again take your Bereal. And again, if you don't like this, just tap on the cross icon again. And now again you can take your Bereal like this. So guys, that's how you can retake your Bereal very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.